Welcome to our next lecture. We all know about the conventional approach of trading as buying low and selling high. But there are two sides of every trade. Share price go up, it's true, but they also go down. So we should also know how and why to trade on declines and how to protect our investment. In declines, when the stock price are decreasing, we can still make money by making a short sell position in that stock. Now you must be wondering here, what is short selling and how to short sell a stock? Short sell is an important strategy used by traders. Shorting a stock is for betting that a stock will decline, and in shorting, we only make profit if the stock goes down. Short sell is the sale of security that you don't own. A trader borrows the security from the broker and sells it in open market. Then later buys back the security from open market and return it to the broker. For example, you may believe that the stock price of company ABC is entering into a downtrend. So you borrow shares of that company and immediately sell them in a short sale. Now, when the stock price decreases, you buy it back at the lower level in order to return the borrowed shares to the broker. Since the price is lower, you will profit on the difference. But if stock price goes up, you must buy back the shares at a higher price and you will lose money in that case. In Indian equity market, in short selling, you have to close your position by the day end if you have your short sell position in equity segment. But if you have your short sell position in futures and options segment, then you can close your position before the expiration date. It means you can initiate the short sell trade any time during the day, but you will have to buy back the shares and square off your position before the market closes. And if you want to hold your short sell trade for more than one day, then either you have to sell the future of that stock or you can buy the put option of that stock. About future and options you will learn in my options trading course. Now when we enter into a short sell trade, we need to deposit a margin amount which is simply a percentage of the contract value, and that margin is called initial margin. It is usually 20 to 25% for futures if you want to trade for more than one day and 5 to 10% if you want to trade for intraday. It also depends on your broker. Maintenance margin is the minimum amount that must be maintained at all times in the margin account. For example, if stock price goes high instead of going down and you face loss, your broker will make a call to deposit additional money so that margin account is brought to minimum maintenance margin. But if your position is correct and stock price decreases, then you will make profit more than when you buy a stock and it goes higher, because here you are getting the benefit of leverage. You have deposited only 20 to 25% margin. Now when we buy stocks, we can buy even a single stock. But in a short sell position, when we sell futures for more than one day, futures can be sold only in lots. You can sold as many shares as you want in intraday trading, but if you want to hold your short sell trade for more than one day, then you will have to sell minimum of one lot. Outside the India, the lot size is 100 shares, but in India, it is different for different shares. For example, if you believe that the price of Tata Motors can fall down and you want to make a short sell position for positional trading view, that is for more than one day, then as the lot size of Tata Motors is 4300. So you cannot short sell less than 4300 shares and you will have to sell a minimum of 4300 shares if you want to make a short sell position in this stock. And if stock price goes down, you will make profit in this stock. Now for this stock, you can calculate your margin. If you want to sell one future of Tata Motor for this month expiry, then you have to deposit a total margin of 1,90,729 rupees in your account. That is approximately 20% of the total contract value. So as you are taking a leverage of approximately 5 times, then if stock price goes down, your profit will also be the 5 times. But if stock price goes up, then your loss will also be in the same proportion. So never make a short sell position unless you are not sure about the declines. In the course, I have used the term buy and exit for the buy trade and sell and exit for a short sell trade so that you do not get confused with the term sell. Buy and exit means buying at low and selling at high. And sell and exit means short sell a stock at the highs and buying back the stock at the lows. So please do not get confused with the terms sell and short sell, because I'm not going to use the word sell for the buy trade, because in that case I will be using the terms buy and exit, and in a short sell trade I will use the term sell and exit. So this was all about the short selling. Now in the course we will learn how to get signals both in uptrend and downtrend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.